With your Android TV, you can now set up your TV to be the hub for all of your voice commands tied to your Google IoT account. To enable this, first you'll want to confirm that your Google account has been set up on your TV. Go to the top right settings icon and press Select. Scroll down to the very bottom to see that your Google account name shows up. If it does, then your Google account has synced, and any existing IoT devices you have already connected to your Google Home account will now be able to be commanded through your TV. Any additional devices you'd like to connect, you can do so from the Google Home app on your phone. Once you've confirmed this, you're ready to use the devices you've connected, and here's how. For example, you can talk to your TV and ask it to turn on your Philips Hue lights if you have the following things in place. You have your Google account and Google Home app synced with your Android TV. You already have your Philips Hue lights installed in your house and the app downloaded on your phone and synced with your Google Home app. You have named your light within the app, for example, Living Room Light. You have Google Assistant enabled on your TV. Now, any voice command you would normally give to your phone, you can now give to your TV, either through the remote or in some TV models, through the TV itself. For voice command, the first time you press the remote control button, you can choose if you'd like to turn on voice commands. Select Turn On. Once voice command is turned on and the previous list of items are in place, you can now request your TV to do things like turn on my living room light. You can also talk to your TV and ask it to update the room temperature if you have the following things in place. You have your Google Home account synced with your Android TV. You already have your Nest linked up to your AC unit in your house. You have the Nest app downloaded on your phone and synced with your Google Home app. You have named your AC unit within the app. For example, My AC. You have voice command enabled on your TV. Now any voice command you would normally give to your phone, you can now give to your TV, either through the remote control or in some TV models, through the TV itself. Set the temperature to 68 degrees. You've now set up your Android TV to be the hub of all your voice commands tied to your Google Home IoT account. Your Android TV is now set up with the Google Home IoT.